Welcome to Successfully at Home, where home life matters. Before we get started, go ahead, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can stay abreast to all the videos. Let's jump right on in. So we're starting out on the website, successfullyathome.com. We're going to come to the top and click on Hiring Now. Since today is March 21st, let's click on that. Sarnova. So this is going to be a remote position called customer service. It says it's heavy phones. So they're seeking a representative to handle patient calls that come into their call center line. This position is part of a remote call center and requires an individual who demonstrates professionalism, empathy, and accountability, and the ability to stay calm under pressure and handle call volumes. And this is going to be a full-time permanent position. So they're going to tell you a little bit about the company. It is a Digitech. Digitech is a leading provider of advanced billing and technology services to the EMS transport industry. It has refined its software platform to create a cloud-based billing and business intelligence solution that monitors and automates the entire EMS revenue life cycle. So you will not have to work on the weekends. It's going to be a remote work from home position Monday through Friday. Some insurance billing knowledge is preferred, but you do not have to know that. You will get full training. So you'll be their brand ambassador for their clients and the patients that they serve. You impact their line of business by ensuring all HIPAA rules, regulation, and timely filing limits are adhered to, and identifying and addressing issues and finding resolutions. Answer heavy call volume in a remote call center environment. So these are going to be some of your duties and responsibilities. Answer patient questions and address concerns in a friendly and empathetic manner, as well as forward calls as necessary to alternate billing departments. Demonstrate resolutions to customer issues while adhering to their client rules and expectations, as well as follow through with all requests, which may require calling alternate parties, emailing, or faxing information. So here are some of the skills or experience that's required. Strong computer skills, minimum typing of 40 words per minute, some insurance billing knowledge, must be a quick learner, ability to handle pressure, things of that nature. A few others will be ability to identify issues, need to be able to multitask, and have excellent attention to detail and accuracy. All right, so this one does not tell you how much you will make. However, if you're interested, definitely go ahead and hit the apply button there. So that's going to be job number 1. Same company. This one says Remote Client Relationship Manager, CRM, Digitech. The client relationship manager is primarily a brand ambassador for the organization, responsible for building and maintaining relationships with clients and potential business partners. This is a client-facing role, which requires an individual who understands the dynamics of client relationships, is comfortable representing the organization, and representing information in formal and informal settings. Previous experience reading and interpreting contracts or formal documents is desired. EMS experience and or knowledge or understanding of medical terminology is strongly preferred. All right, they do say that you will travel approximately 10%. So keep that in mind. It says that you will impact the line of business by ensuring the client needs are addressed and issues are resolved, and that the organization is represented at formal and informal meetings. So let's look at some of the duties and responsibilities. It does say you will assist with onboarding of new clients, build relationships with key client decision makers, as well as meet with current clients to ensure retention, act as a point of contact for assigned clients, interpret and understand client contracts, and ensure that you guys are meeting all contractual requirements. You will need to review and monitor the client's KPIs and metrics. That's going to be key performance indicators. And just a little bit more, ability to learn and discuss their entire suite of billing software and implementation process. So I do have a few more here. You can read that. Let's look at just some of the experience required. EMS experience and or knowledge or understanding of medical terminology, that's going to be strongly preferred. Previous experience reading and interpreting contracts or formal documents is desired. Strong computer skills, ability to learn new computer systems and software and understand workflows. Excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, able to present information and solutions in a professional and courteous manner. Excellent attention to detail. Again, here's that typing speed of 40. All right, so it does say that you guys will get some benefits here. And this one as well will not tell us how much you'll be making per hour. Same company is hiring. The next one says remote IT support and help desk. This is going to be job number 3. The IT support and help desk technician is a full-time non-exempt role. The IT support position is tasked with assessing, resolving, and escalating incoming support requests from multiple sources, including phone, email, and submitted tickets, and additionally creates, updates, and reviews existing knowledge-based articles which define processes and procedures. So here it's going to be fully remote. Hours will be an 8-hour shift between 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Weekend coverage would also be required when weekend agents request time off. So sometimes you'll have to work on the weekends. So keep that in mind. Let's look here at the responsibilities. The IT support help desk technician is a technical resource that provides hardware and software support for internal and external clients. The primary focus for this position will involve assessing, resolving, or escalating incoming support requests from varied sources, including email, telephone, and ticket submissions. So let's jump down here to some responsibilities and duties. It says provide support to internal and external users on a variety of issues, respond to tickets, emails, and other requests in a timely manner, as well as escalate more advanced requests to higher skilled technicians or teams, creates and updates knowledge-based articles, troubleshoot problems, work on call after hours on a rotation. Weekend and holiday work will be required to meet client demands as well as other duties that will be assigned. So qualifications, high school diploma with comp, TIA, A+ certificate, or equivalent work experience, excellent listening, written and verbal communication skills, and things of that nature. So this one also does not tell us how much you will make per hour. So those are the 3 jobs for that particular company. All 3 does not require a degree, so keep that in mind. Next, we're going to Included Health, Communities Care Coordinator. This is going to be job number 4. It's going to be full-time remote. Communities Care Coordinators, who are their most visible representatives of their mission to raise the standard of health care for everyone, are responsible for providing personalized service via phone and chat to Included Health members to connect them with high-quality, cultural affirming providers, answer their healthcare benefits question, initiate healthcare services on their behalf, and assist them with navigating the complexities of the healthcare system. We're going to look at just some of the duties: answers inbound telephone calls and virtual chats in a contact center environment, own the member's healthcare journey from start to finish by answering member calls, communicating with members via phone and chat, advocating with insurance companies, and things of that nature. Clearly, timely, and comprehensively collect, capture, and document information gained in member interactions. You also serve as a liaison between Included Health, advocate and navigate for members, educate members on their benefits coverage, triage or support claims and billing inquiries, things of that nature. So we're going to jump down here to the qualifications. It says bachelor's degree or 5 years of relevant work experience in the healthcare, advocacy, or benefit insurance organization. It's going to be highly preferred. You do need to have excellent customer service skills, exceptional critical thinking and problem solving skills as well, successful at handling confidentiality. So that's just a few of the qualifications. Requirements: ability to work shifts of at least 8 hours, 5 days per week. Ability to work from a dedicated space that is distraction-free. Ability to operate in a fast-paced environment. Requires hand-eye coordination. No heavy lifting is expected. So down here is the pay. So if you're a part of Zone 1, it's going to be between $22.16 all the way up to $31.30, plus equity and benefits. If you're in Zone B, it's going to be $18.46 up to $26.08, plus equity and benefits. So keep that in mind. All right, so down here it tells you a little bit more about the benefits, the holiday pay. You also have one floating paid holiday, 12 weeks of 100% paid paternity leave, things of that nature. It tells you a little bit more about Included Health, and you can hit the apply button down here to apply for this position. So we're going to Included Health again. This is going to be job number 5. All right, so this says remote senior administrative assistant. So at Included Health, the senior administrative assistant will provide administrative support for the SVP of sales, VP of client success, along with one other VP. They're looking for someone who is forward-thinking, takes initiative, and delivers results with poise and professionalism. So we're going to look at just a few of the responsibilities. It says proactively manage the day-to-day needs and requests, develop a general understanding of the team's function, respond to calendar scheduling requests and internal and external meeting coordination, compile, submit, and track expenses in Workday, assist with booking travel and managing logistics when needed. Let's look at the qualifications. It does say a bachelor's degree for this one, a minimum of 3 years of recent, full-time administrative support, reporting to one or more executives within the last 3 to 5 years. Tech savvy, heavy calendar management experience, heavy event management experience. Guys, you need experience for this one. All right, willing to work cross-functionally, work well under pressure. Self-starter, ability to stay on top of new tools and technologies, commitment to the mission of the company, travel as necessary. Here are some of the skills: teamwork, event planning, email management, expense management, time management, things of that nature. Pay. So this is going to be full-time. Zone A is going to be $74,100 to $110,250 plus equity and benefits. If you're a part of Zone B, it'll be $61,800 to $91,850 per year plus equity and benefits. So again, they're going to tell you the benefits down here at the bottom a little bit more. And then when you're ready to apply, hit apply for this position. So typically I do 5 jobs. Today I wanted to do an extra one with the same company, Included Health. This one says remote health plan sales, regional vice president. All right, so we're just going to scroll down and just look at the position just a little bit. Here you can see what they're referring to as it pertains to Included Health. So I just want to talk about the role. So as the Health Plan Solutions RVP, you will be responsible for driving sales in your assigned health plan accounts with a quota tied to bookings achieved per year. So keep that in mind. Here they're going to talk about your first 30 days on board with the Included Health team through general and GTM specific training, conduct initial meeting and greets with key collaborators, shadow existing health plan solutions RVPs, demonstrate proficiency in communicating the full suite of products. In the first 60 days, conduct formal certification on your product knowledge. Engage with product GMs to provide input on packaging, things of that nature. Your first 90 days, receive your account assignments. Okay, so this talks about what makes your great fit. I'll just look at one or two. Strongly motivated, a hunger to operate in an environment where you are creating the future of how the organization develops products for sales to, and create value for healthcare plan and clients. So let's look at the experience. 5 years working or selling for health plans and or TPAs. Demonstrate ability to close complex deals. A strong network of health plan executives. All right, so we're just going to jump down to the pay. Zone A, 125,700 to 191,700 per year plus equity plus benefits. Zone B, 150,800 to $230,000 per year plus equity and benefits. Again, they'll tell you a little bit more about the benefits, the details of the commission structure, things of that nature. And then once you're ready to apply, hit apply now for this job. All right, guys, so if you made it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Of course, I do give you a little bonus one here every single time. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I do appreciate that. Again, this is Successfully at Home, where home life matters, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.